I received this product for you to try, but I am so excited about it because of that 4-in-1 use here. These are a lifesaver when you have to travel, especially overnight airplane travels. That's when we need them the most. It comes with everything you need to go and quickly freshen up. You just grab a little packet like that and you're good to go. That's what's good about it. And it comes with everything you need. The colors are very cute. And what a smart idea is that. Here is the back side. It's a brush, a paste, and a pick and a floss. That's the 4-in-1 option. You don't even need water, and you can always keep your routine the same wherever you go. It's great. I cannot wait to go on an airplane now.